Post-hurricane. Post-hurricane, we got to get our coffee.
We got to get our fix here.
Let's see if they're open. Oh, no, I don't think they're open.
Welcome to Panera. Make it a sweet deal and enjoy half off any bakery treat with the purchase of an entree and a drink. If you're ready, please proceed with your order.
Hello? Yeah, I don't think they're open. We don't know if they're open or not.
I think there's probably like one person working, but they're probably not expecting anyone.
Lights are on, no one's home.
Yeah, I don't see anybody.
Yeah, nothing's open. You'd think a hurricane came through or something.